What's going on, Amazon? I am here with the baby food maker that my wife and I just got because, y'all, we are expecting our first little one and we are so excited. But wanted to shout this product out, do an unboxing, show you guys exactly what it comes with in the box. But y'all, if you guys are on the fence about this product, seriously, don't be. Wow, I'm so excited, I'm sneezing. Seriously, don't be. You guys are gonna be really happy with this product. I gotta sneeze again. Great, all right. I must be allergic to babies, hopefully not, no, I'm just kidding. As you guys can see, there's instructions. This is gonna be really powerful because this is gonna be how, I can even probably show you. This is gonna show you exactly everything that you can do. It'll show you like behind the scenes on like how to add things, how to cook things up, after use, like what to do, how to clean it and all that sort of stuff. And then also it's gonna tell you like ingredients and like fun little ways that you can cook stuff. I picked the worst one ever, brown rice cereal and beef. I don't know what I just showed you guys, but there's gotta be some better options than that, hopefully. Here you go, potato yolk and a vanilla banana. That sounds way more pleasant than what I showed you the first time. But anyways, so you get instructions and you learn all the recipes. Now, I've also got a cleaning tool. That's really great because I wanna make sure everything's clean. Y'all, we're doing this live and in motion, so you guys can tell that I'm just kind of doing it. So obviously I didn't even cut for the sneeze, so we're just gonna make things happen. All right, so, oh, that's cool. You get a spoon, which is great for feeding. And then you also get, I believe this is like a scooper to get all the stuff out of it to make sure it's all the way you get all the food out of it. So I'm gonna put these back in here just to make sure that it stays nice because y'all, my wife wants to look at all these products and she's the one filming this. So I'm surprised that she even let me do the unboxing without being able to dig in. She's been so excited to open this thing up. And so as you can see as well, right there is your power. And this is also what plugs in on this side. So that's great to have. And now let's get to the big boy, the big man himself, the food maker. Y'all, we are so excited. Congratulations, by the way, to you guys. I'm assuming you guys are having a little one or already have a little one. So that's really awesome. I'm sure that you guys are super excited, exactly like my wife and I are. Okay, this is the bread, the butter. This is the big boy right here. So as you guys can tell, it comes in a whole circle. Make sure that nothing else is in here. Great, should be good. And then as you can tell, you got the sitting piece right here. Then you've got this. This is how it actually, you know, clips in. So you start to make the stuff. Now, here's the deal, y'all. I need to actually deep dive into this and look, but I wanted to show you guys on here. This is where you can set your timer, your modes, and then you've got like a pulsing feature. And then this is obviously start and stop. I definitely still need to read the actual user manual because I don't know everything that goes in with this yet. But you guys can see these are the little blades right here. And then this is also on the bottom. You've got all, this is really great. They have it really nice and packaged to where it makes sure that nothing gets damaged, which like, that's really nice to know. So I'm gonna take this out just so you guys can see. So as you go down here like this, yeah, we're definitely gonna have to do a little bit of a user manual just to make sure that I know what's happening and my wife. But overall, all the pieces came in. They look really great overall. And yeah, I wanted to do an unboxing for you guys. So again, we'll do a little bit more of a better, more official review once we actually learn how to set this thing up and get everything going. But overall, definitely think this is gonna be a really fun product. Makes everything a little bit more pasty for your little ones, to where they're able to eat some good protein and some substance without having to chew, right? That's really the big reason why you get this, is to give them their kind of like their mushy sort of foods that they can just eat right away, which is awesome for them, right? They don't have their teeth yet, so we gotta be conscious of that. So anyways, I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Add it to your cart, give it a try. Like I said, we will be doing a more in-depth review once really my wife shows me how to do this, because she's the genius behind all this and she's the one who deserves all the props because she's birthing and growing this little one right inside of her. So love you, babe. Hopefully that was helpful for you guys. Have a great day with your Amazon shopping. See ya.